Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow and decide the ultimate weight loss hack is drowning your body in water. Not metaphorically, literally. 10 gallons a day. Forget diets. Forget exercise. Just pure liquid discipline. Spoiler, your bathroom becomes your second home, and your kidneys start filling out resignation letters. Let's start small. 1 gallon is already more than what most people drink in a day. Multiply that by 10, and you're carrying around the liquid equivalent of a baby elephant. The first glass feels refreshing. The fifth feels like punishment. By the 10th, your stomach is less hydrated tempo and more sloshing water balloon with legs. In the first few hours, your body reacts like a polite host. It accepts the flood, dilutes your blood just a little, and politely asks your bladder to work. Over time, but soon, politeness fades. Sodium levels in your blood drop. That's called hyponatremia. Translation: your cells start drowning. Your brain cells especially don't appreciate being turned into waterlogged sponges. You might think, hey, more water, faster weight loss. And yes, technically, the scale drops. You're flushing sodium, electrolytes, and your will to live. But it's not fat, you're losing its balance. Imagine your nerves trying to send signals in soup instead of electricity. Every text message from your brain arrives late, distorted, or not at all. By gallon 3. You're peeing every 15 minutes. You're basically a human fountain. Romantic date night. Cancel it. Road trip. Forget it. Your life has become one long sprint to the bathroom. Ironically, you're losing weight, but it's mostly dignity and bladder control. Let's talk kidneys. These little bean-shaped heroes filter blood non-stop, about 50 gallons a day naturally, forcing them to double or triple that workload. They're not impressed. Imagine hiring 2 interns and giving them the job of 100. Congratulations, you've just created the world's most overworked organ system, and while your kidneys are screaming, your heart isn't thrilled either. Extra fluid increases blood volume. More blood volume means higher blood pressure. So yes, you're technically flushing fat, but you're also inflating your arteries like overfilled balloons. Hope you enjoy the soundtrack of your pulse, hammering in your ears. But hey, at least your skin glows, right? That Instagram hydration myth. With 10 gallons, your skin doesn't glow, it swells. You look less like a fitness model and more like a waterlogged marshmallow that fell into a river. Congratulations, you've hydrated yourself into a human sponge. At this point, your friends are concerned. You're pale, shaky, and your eyes have that I can see sound look. Your muscles aren't cooperating either. Without electrolytes, contractions fail. Walking across the room feels like dragging concrete legs. Lifting a fork, advanced CrossFit. And here's the kicker. Your brain neurons fire based on sodium and potassium balance. Flood the system, and your brain starts glitching. Confusion sets in. Headaches pound. You forget why you walked into the room. Oh right, to pee again. If this continues, seizures aren't just possible, they're inevitable. By gallon 5, your weight loss journey officially turns into a medical drama. You're sitting on the bathroom floor, clutching your stomach like you swallowed an aquarium. Your body's cells are swelling, your brain is floating in extra fluid, and every nerve is firing like a broken light switch. People wanted globe content. What they're getting is a live reenactment of a medical textbook warning. Then comes the dizziness. Your balance is off because your inner ear, which relies on sodium fluid balance, is basically spinning like a carnival ride. Standing up too fast feels like your soul just left your body for a quick coffee break. Spoiler, it's not enlightenment. It's low sodium-induced vertigo. And don't forget the heart again. With each gallon, you're stretching its patience. Pumping diluted blood is like trying to water a garden with a hose that's 90% leaks. Your heart races to keep up, but it's working harder for less effect. That pounding in your chest, not motivation. It's a literal cry for help. By now, people around you are asking if this is a detox cleanse or a self-harm performance piece. 10 gallons isn't cleanse, it's drowning from the inside. Your body's survival mode kicks in, but instead of burning fat like you hoped, it's desperately holding onto electrolytes, shutting down muscles, and whispering, "Why are you like this?" Around gallon 8, hallucinations may start. With your brain misfiring, reality warps. That chair looks like it's melting. Your cat sounds like it's lecturing you about life choices. And the bathroom tiles become your spiritual advisors. The irony, you drank water to feel better, and now you're starring in your own budget sci-fi thriller. Finally, gallon 10, you did it. You drowned your metabolism, fried your kidneys, and turned your neurons into confused swimmers. Your body weight, technically lower because your cells are swollen. Your electrolytes are missing, and you're one seizure away from meeting the great beyond. Congratulations, you lost some pounds, along with every shred of common sense. But let's hit pause. What if you somehow survived this aquatic nightmare? Sure, you'd have bragging rights. I drank 10 gallons in a day. But nobody claps for the guy who turns himself into a cautionary tale. You won't be inspiring weight loss journeys, medical students who need a case study. The tragic part, there is a reasonable way to use water for weight loss. Drinking a glass before meals can reduce hunger. Staying hydrated supports metabolism, and replacing soda with water saves calories by 10 gallons. That's not hydration. That's self-sabotage with a side of kidney failure. So what's the Moral of this soggy experiment: water is good essential even, but like everything else, dose matters. Too little, and you're dehydrated. Too much, and you're literally drowning your organs. Balance is the secret sauce. Or in this case, the secret liquid. Moderation makes you healthy. Excess makes you a medical emergency. Final thought: if you ever feel tempted by some extreme hack like this, ask yourself, do I want to lose weight, or do I want to lose brain cells? Because with 10 gallons of water a day, the answer is yes, you'll lose both. Congrats, you're now skinny, unconscious, and starring in the world's worst health tip video.